friends, I am Pritesh Patil from ASSMS IOIT. In this tutorial, we'll see the catalogs for RDBMS, that how it will help the users to understand the structure of database schemas. So catalog is nothing but it's a metadata for a relational schema. So catalog usually provides simplicity of understanding to the readers. It may give a broad idea about the structure of any specific entity. So for especially for RDBMS, this catalog, how it will be a metadata for a relational schema. So it consists of a relation name, attribute domains, that is the specific data types. So user can fire certain query on the catalog which is available for defining, for justifying the relational schema. So user can get these details. So alongside, if the relation is having certain constraints, so those constraints can also be known to the user with the help of this catalog. And it consists of primary keys, secondary keys, foreign keys, and some null and not null constraints, some cardinality constraints, and participation constraints. So that can be easily identified, it can be easily understood by the users. And next category of catalog is views, storage structure, indices, which are created by the user, but later on if the user want to get the details that what all the structure of views, what are the dependencies, and what is the storage structure and indices, how it is arranged. And security, authorization, and owner of the relation is one of the category under the catalog. So this is the example of the relation and attribute catalog. So relation is employee, and what are the attributes? So these are the attributes that the first name of the employee, and super SSN, the identification number, and some other attributes which are there, and the attribute type, and the member of primary key, no everywhere. So if it is there, then you will get yes here. And the member of foreign key, so this super SSN and department number, which is having a foreign key constraint. So this easily at one shot the user can get it with the help of the DBMS feature, DBMS software, that is SQL. Likewise, more examples on relational keys. If you want to get the details, that relation name, key number, and key member attribute, so that can be easily retrieved with the help of this relation underscore keys catalog. Relation indexes, this is one more catalog which will give you the details of the index if it is created on the relation. So relation name is, say for example, employee. Index name is, say suppose, the identification index. And member attribute, which are the member attribute, say for example first name. Index type is what, hash index, or which category. Attribute number, how many attributes belongs to this index, and the other detail, ascending or descending. So view is one of the schema which can be created out of the existing relations. So view name and the query which is fired for the creating the view. So that can be easily identified, easily understood by the users. So view attribute, actually the view queries the view name and the query, but view attribute, so view name and what all attributes which belongs to this view can be easily retrieved, understood by the view underscore attribute catalog. So thank you very much.